humble. People are likable people. Humble people are nice people. Well, why would that be? There are, in fact, lots of reasons. But here are just three for us to think about. Humble people, first of all, listen and learn. Proud and arrogant people say, I know everything. They have all the answers. But when we are humble, we know we have a lot to learn from each other. The prayer of the humble person. Lord, make my ears bigger than my mouth. Well, that's a good prayer, isn't it? To listen more than we talk. Pray that our ears will be bigger than the mouth. We realize we have a lot to learn from each other. We don't know it all, so we shut up and we listen to each other. Nice way to live. That's number one. Humble people listen and learn. Secondly, humble people are considerate people. When we realize we all stand together as equals, when we realize that no one of us is better than the other, we understand our needs and our concerns in the context of the big picture of all of us together. We all know people who think, it's all about me. The humble person says, it's all about all of us. And we see our needs, we see our wants in that big picture of all of us together. As C.S. Lewis put it, humility is not thinking less of ourselves, but it's thinking about ourselves less. When we're humble, we think more about other people, their needs, their concerns, and their wants. Humble people listen and learn. Humble people are considerate people. And then, finally, but of great importance here, humble people make a positive difference. When we realize